1. Daily sunscreen is essential to prevent aging and skin cancer. 2. Apply SPF 30+ sunscreen even on cloudy days. 3. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen on all exposed skin. 4. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours after sweating or swimming. 5. Over-exfoliation harms skin, leading to irritation and sensitivity. 6. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly using gentle chemical exfoliants. 7. Avoid abrasive scrubs and use calming moisturizers after exfoliating. 8. Sleeping in makeup clogs pores and traps bacteria. 9. Remove makeup nightly with gentle cleansers. 10. Using incorrect products for skin type can worsen issues. 11. Select products suitable for your specific skin type. 12. Look for non-comedogenic and fragrance-free options if necessary. 13. Moisturizing prevents oily skin from overproducing oil. 14. Use lightweight oil-free moisturizers twice daily. 15. Correcting these errors ensures a healthy, radiant complexion.